Well, here we go. We got Jessie and her first big sponsorship.
Hi, everyone.
So what did YINTATECH send you? Or Yinta. Did I say it right?
Yinta. I think they stole your notes. YINTATECH.
Alright, so what did YINTATECH send you?
A new ferret house.
Awesome. Except for it looks a lot like the old one.
It's a twin.
It's a twin? Alright, so I'll do a little talking because Jessie's embarrassed to be on camera, but this was her sponsorship, so she gets to be the one on camera. So we've got Sun and Moon. We've had Sun and Moon for
3 years.
3 years. And this is their original cage. And here in Maine, ferret cages are just insanely priced. What was the Yinta cost?
$179.
So that's $179. We looked up Petco, PetSmart, the local pet store. The same size cage around here is $300. So 3 years for a little over $150 versus 3 years for $300. We'll take it. So what did you learn in 3 years of your previous cage that you expect to see in the Yinta cage? What would you teach people? What do you think about the water bottle and the tray that came with it?
The tray is very flexible.
Okay.
And it doesn't last very long because their pee makes it weaker.
So why are we replacing this cage to begin with?
Their pee rusted out the bottom corner of the little stepping tray.
Yeah? So that's because ferrets are one of those animals that insist on going on the exact same spot no matter what you do, right?
Yeah. They go in the same area, and then once it's filled up, they scoot back and scoot back and scoot back.
Yeah, so down here on this cage, that whole area is entirely rusted out, and I would have to fabricate and monkey with all 3 of the bars that are down there. Were there any other side effects of the fact that they like to go in the same spot over and over again?
It goes outside of the cage, and it rusts out the wheels, and it rusts out this AutoZone tray.
So why do we have an AutoZone tray underneath here? So this is an oil drip pan tray from AutoZone?
To collect the pee and poop that goes over the ferret house.
Alright. So on this one, we're upgrading to Tractor Supply tray. Is that what I'm thinking?
Yes.
So we found these at Tractor Supply, and this is rated for the poop and the piss. This is rated for oil, and we figured out that they tend to rot out one of these trays about once a year, just to put that in perspective. So I'm pretty sure you can figure out that this is Sun, and this is Moon. Now, the new cage came with a water bottle.
A tiny one.
So it was tiny. Do you have it for comparison?
It's tiny.
Oh yeah, it's very tiny. So we got by the first like 6 months with the original one, right?
Yeah, we had to fill it twice a day though.
Okay. And there was a food tray thing that came with it. Now, we ended up going through issues with ours. So what did we do to fix that situation?
They would throw it, so instead we used butter bowls that were cleaned up.
There we go. So we've actually got 2 butter bowls in here. We've got the butter bowl that we always put food in. And I never should have bothered cutting that side thing out because they don't like the cliff that's right here. So they eat out of that side every single time. Oh, this is the other thing we like about the way this top piece is. We stick things on top of here, and sometimes we'll deliberately wedge them so that they can try and knock them off. Yeah, if you put something new up there, they'll monkey with it and then throw it on the floor. And they'll play that game for like hours. This is actually a clearance section cat bed. during the winter time, it can get really cold up here. So I fold it into a taco and I sew the top together so that they can go inside the clearance cat bed. And down here, we've got another one of these. And it's always got water in it. And the reason why that happens is because Moon, is it Moon or Sun likes to take baths?
It's both.
Oh, both of them like to take baths?
Yeah.
So they'll literally lay into this and tap on the ball in order to take a bath underneath it. You checking to see if they like the new place?
Yeah. Their new place is naked.
Well, there we go. So we got to transition some things over. We've had some learning over the years on different things that work. What do you think? Were ferrets worth it?
Yes.
How much did you talk me into spending on these fur balls?
You don't want to know.
I don't want to know.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Twice the amount now.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was like $600 at a time when I was debating whether I needed a new truck, to be honest. But anyways. Yeah, you're trying to have the innocent face, and it's not working right now.
I needed babies.
Yo, you needed babies.
Yes.
Okay, I needed babies. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Did you just burp at them?
It kind of came out with...